Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with meteorologist Cameron Landfield.
Good morning, Western Oregon. It's a really rainy one. You can probably hear it out your windows right now. Tons of rainfall just continues to fall over the entire area. We've got our atmospheric river and it's passing on down towards the south at this point. So we're dealing with that this morning. Check out all of these rainy areas, and it's warm again, 54 degrees in particular. It looks like that's going to be lowering as we move forward into tomorrow, though, so we're going to get closer to the average as we move forward through the remainder of this week. So I'm going to show you the stormcast now, and it's going to look like just a solid green and yellow line moving up from the bottom left-hand corner there. That is going to map up perfectly with the entirety of that atmospheric river. Pushing into 6:30, it looks like things do get a little bit heavier there along Coos Bay, but just expect consistent rainfall everywhere through the day until we get into about 5 o'clock. That's when we'll have a little bit of a break, but you'll also notice we do start to get some snow out of the mountains at that point as well. And this break does not last very long. We've got a cold air mass that slams into our area and reactivates more of that rainfall. That's what you're seeing out over the water there, and look at how small and powerful those little cells are. That's because we got a lot of instability once that colder air slams in overhead. You can see 8 o'clock, we do resume more of that rainfall. It gets particularly active down towards the southern Cascades, though, with a lot of snowfall, and that just continues all the way through into tomorrow. So here is the rainfall totals for today. It looks like we're actually tracking down a bit in Eugene and up out towards Newport. However, it's still impressive because we're seeing over an inch in most places. But like I said, as things get colder, here's a look at what's going on with those dropping temperatures. Notice the yellow moves away and we start to see some blue drop in tonight into tomorrow, and it gets a lot colder overhead in general. That's going to bring more snowfall over the area into tomorrow, too. So we might actually end up with some issues along the passes. This is going to be the snowfall from tonight all the way into Friday morning. And you can see things are impressive in Santiam Pass, 17 inches. So again, we might end up with a bit of an issue just going over those passes into about Friday before things do dry out a little bit. And you'll see that drying on the 7-day forecast, too. We've got rainfall for 3 days. Saturday, Friday evening into Saturday, we've got a little bit of a break before more rain returns Sunday. And for the Umpqua Basin, it's nearly identical. Just look at how much lower those temperatures in the morning get, though. We go from 48 down to 37. For the Cascades, snowfall, it's pretty windy today, too, and that snow continues all the way through into Saturday. Sunday, we get rain picking up one more time. But Monday and Tuesday, everybody is going to be drying out towards early next week, and that's the same case for the Willamette Valley. 3 days of rain, a little bit of a break there on Saturday. But now it's time.